I've always been something of a pavaholic, and my latest creation is a lemon one. A combination of marshmallow sweetness, smooth, cool cream and tangy citrus is just rhapsodic. I make the pavlova's billowy base in advance. To do this, I start by whisking egg whites. What I'm waiting for is the stage at which they form satiny peaks. Then I patiently beat in my caster sugar, 1 spoon at a time. Patience is not one of my outstanding qualities, but it's necessary here. I derive great satisfaction from watching the meringue slowly become glossier. Once the mixture is stiff and shiny, I turn meringue into pavlova base to be with the addition of 2 ingredients. First, corn flour. Usually this is combined with vinegar in a pav, but this being a lemon pavlova, I'm using lemon juice, as well as the finely grated zest, which is where all the flavour resides. Then it's a case of just folding everything gently together. Now, a little culinary crafting. I dab the 4 corners of a sheet of greaseproof paper with the mixture I have left on the whisk, which will act as a glue to stop the sheet slipping on the baking tray. I adore how the snowy marshmallow spills onto the sheet in all its alpine glory. I'm aiming for a regular circular shape, or as regular as I can get it, which means a lot of flattening and smoothing, but I find this rather restful. It'll take about an hour to cook, and then it can be left to cool in the switched-off oven. I'll wait till just before my friends arrive tomorrow before piling it up into a pavlova proper. The pavlova base is cooled. When it's been cooled for a while and resting, cracks will appear. Don't worry. This happens, and besides, as ever, I flip it over. I always do this because I love the way the tender part of the pavlova base, like a marshmallow, hits the smoothness of the cream. But actually, I am departing from tradition here because what goes on next is not cream, but lemon curd. I'm happy to use lemon curd from a jar, providing it's good and zingy, and if not, you can always add some lemon zest and lemon juice. Don't be alarmed if some of it drips down the side of the meringue base. I rather love that. Push it to the sides. It will drip more as it stands. And I shall drape the curd with the cream, whipped, but not too whipped. Coax it to the edges. I've got a lot of almonds I've toasted, by which I mean I've tossed them out in a dry, hot frying pan until they're this colour. You need a lot. This isn't just decoration. It's so that you get a good amount of crunch. I always think of this a bit like an upside-down lemon meringue pie. And finally, some lemon zest. And I just can't wait to sink into this lemony lusciousness.